Hey guys, welcome to Ellie's Toy Chest. Today we have 5 Play-Doh surprises from Gabba Gabba. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Who should we do first? Let's go ahead and do Brobee. Brobee is green and he's got 1 eyebrow and 3 horns. Let's see what we got. It's a Yowie chocolate egg. Let's open it up. Kind of stuck. And inside is delicious milk chocolate. And a surprise. And we got an owl. Hoot, hoot. And who do we want to open up next? Let's do Plex. Plex is so cute. I'm a magic robot. And what do we have? A Shopkins surprise basket. Two surprises and 1 flyer. It's gotta be an avocado. Look how cute. It's Tippy Avocado. I love it. Love, love, love. I'm so cute. Set him right up there. And the next one, what do we get? What did we get? It's a broom. Yay! We got sweeps. Yay! Gonna set this one right back there. Let's see what else we got. Let's open Fufa. Fufa is pink. Hi guys. Oh, it looks like we got something else pink. And what is it? It's Pinkie Pie. Try to get some Play-Doh off Pinkie Pie. Hey guys, I'm Pinkie Pie. I have a cute little balloon cutie mark. Hello. Set Pinkie Pie right back here. And let's open Muno. I have 1 giant eye. And what is it? It's an HW Racer. Oh, that looks so cool. If you can see it, it's got the number 3 on it. Take the rest of the Play-Doh off. Oh wow, that's really cool. It almost reminds me of the Batmobile. Just the style of it a little bit. It's got a nice number 3 and the green translucent part. Actually, maybe this is more like the Joker's car, but it's very cool. Vroom, 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 vroom. And our last surprise is Tootie. Hi guys. Put Tootie right up there and open her up. Oh wow, it is a frozen Fashem. What do we get? What do we get? I hope we got Elsa. Oh my goodness, look! We got Elsa, yay! I'm so squishy, 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 squishy. I'm squishy, 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 squishy. I have big eyes. Oh, I'm so cute. Oh, I love it. I'm cute. I'm so happy I have Olaf and I have Anna and now I have Elsa. Yay! Thank you so much for watching this edition of Ellie's Toy Chest. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more from Yo Gabba Gabba and your other favorite characters. See you soon. Bye!